Once a genius learned everything about swimming from books and jumped inside the pool along with the books. Only the books floated. Let's be real. Business isn't just about learning from books. Yet a lot of business schools will expect you to memorize the content, ace the exam, and they call it education. But when you step into the real world, these books will not be much help. It's time to change the way we play the game. Business is not just about learning, it is more about doing. It's about creating products that people can't wait to buy. It's about solving real problems in real time. It's about pitching your ideas to investors. That is why traditional MBAs aren't relevant anymore. Welcome to MIDAS School of Entrepreneurship, where we have thrown out the rule book. In our 1-year PGCM program accredited by VTU, it's all about doing. No lectures, no exams, no fluff. With over 500 entrepreneurs launched, generating more than 2,000 crores in collective revenue and creating 13,000 plus jobs. Here at MIDAS, we don't just teach business. It's about building thriving enterprises and making real-world impact. Do you have a dream of launching your own startup? Then here at MIDAS, you can take the dream and make it into a reality. Here you go about designing your product and preparing it to Series A funding. Here at MIDAS, you don't just learn how to succeed. We make sure that you do. Are you part of a family business? Then we can show you how to modernize, innovate, and scale it like never before. Learn strategies that are practical, proven, and designed for today's fast-changing world. Personal mentorship from industry leaders, real-world problem solving, and most importantly, the confidence to face any challenge when you're out there as an entrepreneur. This is what MIDAS delivers. So, are you ready to just stop learning and start doing? MIDAS is the place where your journey begins. Click on the button below and apply. Let's build your entrepreneurial journey without textbooks.